When looking at studying the effects of gravity, we can look to see the crater size a set mass makes when dropped from different heights. So, before we do anything, you'd have to draw a table that looks something like this. It would have to have the height. From the height, you can work out the gravitational potential energy, and you need somewhere to put the crater diameter. So, in this first example, a 100 kilogram rock is dropped 100 meters from the top of the high-rise building. So the crater it makes is 3 meters wide, so you'd have to record that in your table. Same again, so a 100 kilogram rock is dropped from 200 meters this time. And the crater size it makes is 6 meters wide. A 100 kilogram rock is dropped from 300 meters. So the height of the buildings are progressively getting taller. And the size of the crater it makes is 9 meters wide. Hopefully we're starting to see a pattern. This time it's dropped from 400 meters. And the crater size it makes is 12 meters wide. And finally, we are going to drop it from 500 meters. And the size of the crater is 15 meters wide. So remember, to calculate gravitational potential energy, we use the equation below, which is mass times gravitational field strength times by height. So you can use that equation to go and work out the gravitational potential energy and put it down into your table. So finally, now using your results, we can construct two different graphs. So one of height against crater diameter and one against gravitational potential energy against crater diameter. So an example of a graph from a similar experiment, but not the one that you have just looked at, is shown below. So when looking at drawing a graph, yours will need to look something similar to that, but do not copy it because this graph has different results on.